Good afternoon, Audi S3 Fanatics. It's Peter, your Audi S3 Fanatic. So I have another DIY for you guys to follow along, and this one should not be very difficult for you to accomplish at all. Now for my S3, Berger Motorsports was kind enough to actually send me a product called the Pedal Tuner box. It's just designed to remap your pedal response so that it's quicker, and in the end it is really designed to make your drive much more enjoyable. So let's go ahead and kind of rip this out. I've had this product now for about 3 weeks, just haven't had the time to put together DIY for you guys. Okay, so here is the product itself. It looks like it's got a good 4.5 foot cable to the control module that you're going to adjust the different stages to the pedal box itself. And then the N units here, they are going to be intercepting the connection from your pedal. Now, even though BMS sent me this product to install and to review, I will go ahead and give you guys my honest opinion, because it does me no good to give you guys false information. So I will give you a very unbiased opinion as to what I think. So without further ado, my fellow S3 Fanatics, let's get started on the installation of this pedal box tuner. Okay guys, so we are underneath the driver's side dash right here, and I'm going to point to you, this right here is the plug for your pedal right here. Now the way that you want to disconnect this is there's a little red clip, and hopefully I don't obstruct the view too bad, but you want to pull up on it. And what that does is it releases the locking mechanism, and from here you can kind of push in and pull that out. Now you guys see how easy that is. Super easy. Now the pedal is disengaged. With the next part is you're going to take your Berger Motorsport pedal box tuner connection, and this one here is going to connect. It's going to go connect to the factory one, just like such. You can hear that click, and then this one here is just going to go right in the stock location. And you guys heard that click. We'll push that red button down, and now this unit, I kid you not guys, is fully installed. So here is the final install. As you can tell, it's connected, and all I did was I ran it behind the center console all the way down here. And let's turn my light around so you can see. And then I simply attached it right here. So the next step in installing this pedal box tuner is you have to calibrate it to your specific vehicle. The first thing in terms of calibrating is hopefully I will do my very best. I'm kind of looking at it from the camera's point of view, but there is going to be an up and a down button, or plus and minus, and to get it into the calibration mode is you're going to hold both of these at the same time. And what will happen is these lights will turn on. Now, I can kind of see it, and hopefully I'm not doing too bad a job to let you guys see it, but what you want to do is you'll step on your pedal until it's well past the stop location and let it go. You'll see it go back to green. Do it again. It's all the way to the max. Let it go. And just for another attempt, go ahead and do it all again. And now you have calibrated it to your specific pedal. And from here, hit this button and just hold it down for a few seconds. and you can tell all the lights have turned off at this point. Now with this pedal box tuner, there's essentially 3 different levels. Green is going to be stage 1. I'll hit it and you'll see that it's kind of an amber. That's going to be stage 2. Hit it one more time and it'll turn red. That's going to be stage 3. Now the beauty of BMS's product here is you can actually totally adjust the level of the increase that you want by hitting the plus or the minus. So I'll go ahead and just do that real quick, and then you can see it kind of, hopefully you can see the green. You can hit it down, and what it does is it just brings it down so that it's not so aggressive in that specific stage that you want. But I'm going to go ahead and just kind of leave it in the middle, and I will switch it over to kind of a rainbow color is stock. I'm just going to go ahead and run stage 1 on it and see how it feels. Okay guys, so the next part of this review is actually going to be the drive in itself. So currently I am in sport mode and I am in stock setting, and I could tell you that it just feels normal in terms of its responsiveness for the pedal. Obviously, because it is stock, I definitely feel a level of delay in terms of hitting the pedal and feeling the car actually respond to my input. So stock mode, there's definitely a delay. Now what we'll go ahead and do is I'm actually going to kind of put it in the middle of the road, and I've got it just down here. And we're gonna go ahead and choose the orange, red, or amber. And just the middle of the road, I can tell you already that the response is much more crisp. When you actually hit the pedal, you can feel that the car has a little higher level of urgency. I have switched it to stage 3 on the tune, and I've got a little open road here to kind of feel how it responds. But just right off the bat, I can tell you there is a significant difference in terms of how the car responds to my input from the pedal. Oh yeah guys, there is definitely a difference. Again, the best way for me to put it, now the throttle feels very twitchy, if that makes sense to you guys, where I'll step on it and the car it'll kind of jerk a little bit. I don't know if, for my taste, if that is what I want. I don't like that twitchiness, so I may leave it at level 3 and just use the down button to decrease the response of the stage 3. But again, there's definitely a level of change. I hope that this DIY as well as review of Berger Motorsports' pedal box tuner has provided you guys enough information to help you make an educated decision on whether you want to buy the product or not. Now for myself, 3 key things that I think it does very well. For 1, cost, it's very competitive. 2, installation is a breeze on the S3. And then 3, this product does exactly as it advertises, and that's going to be to reduce the input delay that comes from your throttle to the time that the car actually responds. So definitely 3 stars there. I do want to go ahead and thank Berger Motorsports for providing me the unit for me to test. Big thumbs up for you guys, and thank you so much for all you the Audi S3 Fanatics for supporting me and helping me grow my channel. I look forward to seeing you guys in the future for additional DIYs and some new projects that I'm working on. So again, this is Peter, your Audi S3 Fanatic, signing off.